Hi kids, how are you today? Today we will discuss chapter number 6 is, am and are. You will learn today how to use these in different types of sentences. Let's get into it. If you look at this page in your book, you will see is, am and are helping verbs. You remember how we studied about nouns? These are verbs that we're going to talk about today. So coming back to the topic today, is, am and are helping verbs. They help the noun in the sentence to frame a complete sentence. Let's look at the page again. We use the word is with he, she, is, that and all singular nouns. Is that okay? Let's look at some of the examples on your page now. The first example you have is, my mother is a teacher. So is helping the word noun, which is mother, to complete the sentence. Read the rest of the sentences with your teacher. Let's look at the next part. Next, we will talk about am. So the word am, is a helping verb, and it is usually used with the word I. I am. These two are always used together. So you use I am when you are trying to tell about yourself. I am good. I am happy. Let's look at an example from your book. I am Sanya. So, the name of the girl is Sanya. Let's look at the next part. The third helping verb we are talking about today is the word are. A-R-E. Are. So, the word are is used with, let's look at your book. It is used with we, you, they, these, those, and all plural nouns. Let's look at an example. We are playing. That is the first example in your book. So, the sentence is trying to connect we and playing with the helping verb are. Look at the rest of the exercises and the examples with your teacher or your parents. I hope you enjoyed today's video. That's all for today. Thank you. Bye-bye.